Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, solve the innermost round brackets. In this expression, there is a 4 plus 2. Now solve this. We get 6. According to this step, BODMAS stand for bracket. You must always solve the innermost bracket first to clear them out before moving to the outer operations. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 72 divided by 3 multiplied by 6 square bracket of plus 5 square. Move to the next step. Solve the outer square brackets, which is a division. So this is the part A first and then multiply. So now first we divide the value. 72 divided by 3 will get 24. So now according to this step, inside the brackets we have both division and multiplication. According to the BODMAS rule, division and multiplication have the equal priority. So we solve them from left to right and division comes first in this sequence here. So first we divide. Now the current expression becomes 24 multiplied by 6 square bracket of plus 5 square. Move to the next step. Complete the outer square bracket, which is part B, and there is a multiplication. Multiply the remaining numbers inside the bracket, and now 24 multiplied by 6. We can use Vedic math. 6 4s are 24 and then 6 into 2, that is 12. Just write it down 4 as it is and 2 just add it to 2 plus 4. 144 as a result. Now the current expression becomes 144 plus 5 square. Now move to the next step, evaluate the order and exponent. There is a 5 square, simplify this exponent. 5 square multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. According to this step, O in BODMAS stands for order, exponents, power and square roots. That is takes the priority over the final addition operation. And now the current expression becomes 144 plus 25. Now the finally we add the values. Add these two remaining values, which is 144 plus 25, and after we'll get 169 as a result. This is the final result. So now according to this expression, the conclusion is by systematically prioritizing brackets from left to right, rule for division, multiplication and evaluate the exponents before adding, the expression accurately simplifies step by step to 169. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.